for Play Apparel. We're over here at Game Narp. As you can see, everybody's ready to get the game on, and so are we. So let's do this. What's going on? Yeah, you in the tournament?
No, I wish I was. I came late, dude.
You came. Everybody's saying they can't eat, dude.
You guys need to push it up, man.
My motherfuckers need to get here on time, son.
Everybody's ass. I was whooping everybody's ass.
Really? And what happened?
And I'm the best. I mean, whatever.
I'm the best.
I can't enter because I came late, man. Yeah, dude. Destructoid, what up?
Yeah. Hey, real quick, you say I'm a gamer real loud?
I'm a gamer!
There we go. Well, so what you guys doing here? You in the tournament?
No, I just came to check out the Savant, you know. Big Destructoid fan. Big fan of
old school gamer.
Oh, yeah, love that shit.
Pac-Man and Big Dog and all that.
I'm representing Pac-Man right here. What? There.
Hey, what about you?
I'm just here with him.
You're here with him, but you're not a gamer?
She's just tagging along.
No?
She's
What are
a
you
gamer.
doing here?
She's with me.
She's with you?
Yeah, she's
You're lucky with him, because, man, you're not getting to kick you out that door real quick.
I got it.
Now, real quick, can you say, I'm a gamer, play apparel?
What?
I'm a gamer, play apparel.
I'm a gamer, play apparel.
And your name, sir?
Keem J.
I'm sorry?
Keem J.
Keem J. Now, what are you doing here?
I'm actually taking part of this. My site, AnalogHype.com, we're helping out with SFX 360, Game Narp, Game Attack Radio, and yeah, just bringing out gaming to the.
So you're not taking part in the tournament at all?
Oh, well,
You gotta be a gamer, come on.
Yeah, well, I was just in the Gears of War tournament and just got my ass handed to me by a 13-year-old.
By a 13-year-old?
By a 13.
That's so emasculating, man. And look how tall you are. It's gotta be like, you hang your head. Like, even if you hang your head, you're way up there. So it's like, it's all good.
Yeah, it's pretty upsetting. I blame it on the fact that I haven't played Gears in a few months. So,
dude,
like,
you came here without practice, man?
Yeah. I mean, it was just like, just supporting. You gotta support. So, I'll be jumping to another tournament. So,
What kind of Street Fighter?
I don't know. Unless it's with like
Soul Calibur?
Nah. Probably Halo.
Halo? Oh, that's a good one. Halo. Excellent. Hey, real quick, can you actually hold up one of these stickers and say Play Apparel? Respect the game?
Play Apparel. Respect the game.
Yeah.
Apparel.com. Check it out.
Play apparel, that's the game. Yeah.
Do it again. Do it again.
Play apparel, respect the game.
Do it again.
Again?
Again.
Sex? What?
Each other for t-shirts. And it's a little dangerous. I don't even want to go in there.
Yo, we Play Apparel. I want y'all to go to the MySpace, go to the website. We're doing all the shirts. You can win a free shirt. Yo, y'all want a free shirt? I need an A.R. free play. One, two, three. That's what I'm talking about.
Y'all go to the MySpace, go to the website, go to the Facebook, go to the Twitter. Follow me, Playboy. Play, we taking over. One. He said, yes.